Hello friends, we're back. Today we'll show you how we're talking to each other. Are you ready, Salar?
Yep, bye.
Conversation number 1. Who is in there?
It's me, bye.
How long will you take?
Just 5 minutes.
Come fast, the room is messy.
I'm just playing.
Let's quickly tidy up. Conversation number 2. Salar, check if your sister's awake.
Going to check, bye. No, bye. She is asleep.
Wake her up.
She isn't waking.
She must be fast asleep. Let me wake her.
She's up. See? She woke up herself.
Let's have breakfast together. Conversation number 3. Listen to me, Salar.
Yep, bye.
Bring me a glass of water, please.
Okay, just getting.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for you as well for watching our video.
Please like my video. Allah Hafiz, kids.